Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, meron tayong mga itatry na new products from Happy Skin, specifically from their Generation Happy Skin line. So meron na silang blurring skin tint, they also have an eyebrow gel. Meron din silang new shades ng kanilang iba-ibang lip tint, so lahat ito isa-swatch natin. And syempre, i-wear test natin tong kanilang skin tint. So without further hanash, let us start. Actually guys, chika ko lang yung storya nito, nakapag-film na talaga ako, or nag-try na talaga akong mag-film the first time na na-receive ko tong mga products. But, I had to order another one kasi hindi ko talaga ka-shade tong sinend nila. They sent me the medium shade, which initially, akala ko rin talaga medium ako kung titignan ko yung kanilang mga swatches. Kasi medium skin tone talaga ako. But, I find it too peachy on me, as in, sobrang off nung shade sa akin. So, ayokong maapektuhan yung overall review ko because hindi ko siya ka-shade. So, umorder na lang ako nung next shade, hoping na ito talaga yung shade ko. So, sana ito na nga talaga yung shade ko. But unahin muna natin yung kilay para sure na walang any product around it. Actually, ito, na-try ko na siya. So, this is their Happy Skin Perfect Brows Brow Grip. Actually, tatlong variants yung meron sila. Meron silang clear, which is the one I have. Meron din silang natural brown and merong taupe. But personally, I prefer clear brow gels. So, this is how the one looks like. Manipis lang siya and maliit. So, this can be an advantage or disadvantage depending on their formula. Sabi nila, this is flexible and long-lasting hold, shapes and locks brows in place, and versatile and fuss-free. So let us see. Say I have stubborn brows. The first time I tried it, nagustuhan ko siya kasi very neat lang siyang mag-groom ng brows and hindi siya makintab. But hindi ko pa siya na-wear test kung nagtatagal ba yung hold niya sa brows. But initially, I liked it kasi as you can see, sa first coat pa lang, na-shape niya kagad yung brows ko very neatly. As in, wala siyang excess na product around it. Gusto ko yung wand niya actually. And that's it. Ganun lang kabilis siyang gamitin. Kaya the first time I used this, na-in-love kagad ako sa kanya. Gusto ko na maliit yung wand niya, so it's very precise. Kaya nakukuha niya talaga every strand ng brow hair. And yung pagkaka-groom niya compared to their laminating brow product, it's just very natural and very neat. So this is actually perfect for everyday or to those na hindi niyo masyadong preferred yung talagang laminated na brows. Sa totoo lang, this is better than the Glossier one, kung yung clear lang yung labanan. So ito yung brows na wala pa. As you can see, nakababa pa yung buhok ko. And ito yung groom side na. Actually, kung maganda yung pagkaka-groom nyo ng brows nyo, threading or whatsoever, and you have thick brow hair, kahit hindi na kayong mag-brow pen, carry bells na to. This is the type of brow product na kahit beginner madadalian gamitin, unlike yung mga laminating brow products. So for now, let's try out muna itong Generation Happy Skin Stay Fresh Blurring Skin Tint. So I'm curious dun sa blurring kasi as of now, I have texture on my forehead. Although fresh from extraction yan, kaya may mga marks ako dyan. Kaya makikita rin natin yung coverage nitong mga skin tint na to. And this has SPF 20. Isa lang din sa napansin ko, kapag tinanggal nyo na yung plastic na nakakover sa kanya, as in wala na kayong makikitang any details of the product, basahin nyo muna bago nyo tanggalin yung wrapper niya kasi nandun lahat. I am honestly impressed na sa first release nila nitong skin tint nila, meron na kagad silang 8 shades. Which for me, compared sa mga release nila before ng base products, marami na yung 8 shades. Na-appreciate ko naman si Happy Skin doon. Medyo nagsastruggle lang talaga ako to find the perfect shade based on their swatches and yung mga description nila kasi usually, hindi siya super tugma, in my opinion, and based from my experience. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's very cute. It's very Generation Happy Skin. It's very Gen Z. Ang maganda sa kanya is that yung nozzle niya, meron siyang cover para hindi siya mag-leak. So sure ka na secured talaga yung product inside. And the consistency is runny. Maybe that's why they put a cover dito sa kanilang dispenser. Ayan, bumababa talaga siya guys. So this is in the shade Medium Natural. Sana ka-shade ko siya kasi looking at it now, parang medyo peachy pa rin siya. So this is Medium Natural. Based on their shade description, medium to natural daw to with warm undertone. This one naman is in the shade medium. Medium is medium with neutral undertone. Okay, tinatry ko siyang i-blend. para mas makita natin. But based on what I can see right now, parang pareha silang peachy or orangey. Actually, orangey to be exact. Itong si medium is peachy for me and itong si medium natural is orangey in my opinion. As you can see, ayan o, umaangat na siya sa skin tone ko. I feel like technically, when it comes to shades, parehas naman sila sana pwede mag-work sa akin. Pero yung undertone nilang dalawa, yun yung umaangat because hindi siya swak sa undertone ko. Which is, hindi naman uncommon yung undertone ko kasi I have neutral undertone. Still, let's give it the benefit of the doubt kasi baka naman kapag binlend siya, mag-iba. I think kailangan kong pangatawanan na lang tong si medium natural. Okay, apply muna tayo on the side. I will be using itong Happy Skin X Marge na brushes, which by the way, I super love. I'll be using itong foundation brush. Ang ganda nitong brushes na to, guys. I realize hindi ko pa na-share sa inyo yung thoughts ko about this brush, but right off the bat, I love the brushes as in quality brushes siya. And I love the shapes of the brushes. In fairness naman, as I'm blending it, madali siyang i-blend talaga and maganda yung itsura niya on the skin. For a skin tint, it actually has a decent coverage. Kasi kapag skin tint, hindi naman talaga ako super nag-expect ng pack na coverage kasi kaya nga siya tint lang, hindi siya tinawag ng foundation. But so far, the coverage of this one is parang papasa na rin siya na light coverage na foundation and mag-a-add lang ako. Okay, mukha namang workable yung shade na medium natural on me kasi naalala ko yung medium na shade talaga sa akin, lutang talaga siya. So this one, nagbe-blend naman siya on my skin tone habang tumatagal. So far, in fairness. And as you can see, lightly na-cover naman yung iba kong marks here. And when it comes to blurring, meron siyang very, very slight na blurring effect but I won't say na talagang totally nag-vanish lahat ng skin texture ko. So just to manage your expectation, hindi niya mabubura yung mga texture nyo but it won't emphasize it. Itong foundation brush ng Happy Skin X Marge is one of my favorites sa collection kasi hindi lahat ng foundation brush is shaped this way. Paslan siya tapos pag ganyan siya. Okay, I find it really easy to blend this skin tint. Wala akong struggle sa kanya and it looks very even and ang ganda niya actually sa skin. Tignan. Yung finish niya is very second skin finish. Yung saktong dewiness, hindi siya super duper dewy pero hindi rin naman siya papasa na matte finish. So, sobrang gitna siya. So far, I'm happy with how it's looking on my skin. Definitely, kailangan mo pa rin ng help ng concealer kasi kita ko pa rin yung mga dark spots ko on my forehead. But bet ko yung finish na in fairness kasi very natural. Parang papasa na rin talaga siyang foundation. Nakakaganda siya ng skin. So far. By the way, mention ko lang since Happy Skin video na rin naman to. Ito yung mga personal faves ko from the Happy Skin X Marge collection of brushes. Again, itong foundation brush, yung ginamit natin kanina. I also like the concealer brush kasi ito lang yung concealer brush na alam kong ganito yung shape. You can really be precise with it. I super love this Cream Chic brush, specifically for contour and bronzer kasi talagang sakto yung shape niya, yung pagkaslant niya dito sa area na to. Pero nagagamit ko rin to as a blush brush. And lastly, favorite ko rin itong all-around powder brush kasi ganito usually yung ginagamit ko na powder brush if napapansin nyo sa mga previous videos ko. But this one is softer than usual. So very quickly, I'll just finish the rest of my face bago tayo mag-move on dun sa mga lip tints. Okay, I'm done with my very, very simple makeup. Hindi ko masyadong pinatungan yung skin tint natin para hindi siya masyadong maka-affect sa wear test. Yung ginamit ko na powder is yung favorite powder ko rin also from Happy Skin. Yung translucent lang siya na pressed powder. Ni-review ko rin yon yung nasa pink na packaging. I super love that. But so far in terms of the shade, kanina di ba mukha siyang orangey? So you have to blend it. Kasi kapag hinayaan mo lang yung mismong product on your hand without blending it, talagang makikita mo yung pagbabago ng color. Pero once you blend it on your face, as you can see now, okay naman siya. Actually, ang ganda nung shade match sa akin ni medium natural compared to medium. Although, feeling ko pag pinaghalo ko pa silang dalawa, mas swak na swak talaga yung shade. But it doesn't look off on me. Definitely, mas medium natural ako than medium if I have to choose one. And for a skin tint na merong SPF 20, wala siyang any grayish or off tone. They also claim this to be weightless, which I definitely agree. And that's what also I expect from a skin tint since supposedly tint lang siya. And sabi nila, this has a second skin matte finish. Second skin, yes, I agree kasi mukha lang talaga siyang skin. Ang ganda actually nung finish niya. And para ka na talaga nag-light foundation. And dun sa sinabi nila na this has matte finish, ang tingin ko naman sa kanya, more on dewy than matte. kung papapiliin ako ng isa, mas leaning towards dewy siya. Siguro sinabi nilang matte kasi hindi naman siya malakit. Actually, kapag hinawakan mo nga siya, very lightweight siya, pero meron siyang sheen. So, we will see kung paano siya mag-wear throughout the day, kung okay ba siya to those na merong oily skin, dry skin, normal skin. Because I have combination skin, usually ang nag-oily sa akin is yung T-zone ko, specifically itong area na to, and my nose. Unang-una talaga yung nose ko. And by the way, nakalimutan ko, dapat hindi ako maglalagay ng highlighter sa tip ng nose ko para makita natin later sa wear test kung mag-oil ba yan. Pero very konti lang naman yung nilagay ko. So far, I like how it's looking on my skin. Okay, very quickly, swatch lang natin tong mga new shades nila dito sa kanilang different lip tint formulations. I think somewhere here in my channel or sa Instagram, na-review ko na tong mga to. So, more on swatches na lang tayo. And as far as I can remember, ang pinaka-bet ko na formulation is this one, itong glossy tint. So, start muna tayo dito sa kanilang water lip and cheek tint. I have the shade Flex. So, this is in the shade Flex. Nakaka-fresh yung shade na to. So, kung hindi nyo pa natatry itong formulation na to, it's basically just a water lip and cheek tint. Kung saan nagsimula ang mga tints, ganun siya. So, kung fan kayo ng ganitong formulation, ang ganda nitong shade na to. And actually, naglalast naman siya. Although, nakatry na ako ng mga mas long-lasting pa na lip tints. But what I like about the Generation Happy Skin na water lip and cheek tint is that ang dami nilang magagandang shades. And actually, this one, itong new shade na to, bet ko siya. Ang ganda. And makikita nyo naman, nag-leave talaga siya ng stain. Next one is their glossy tint. So, this is a high shine gloss with staining power of 810. Milig kasi ako ngayon sa mga glossy tint kasi para ka nang may 2-in-1 product. So, this is in the shade Riz. May pagka-mauve itong shade na to, so hindi siya super vibrant shade. So, if you like shades like this, ayan, ang ganda nitong si Riz. And nag-iiwan din talaga siya ng stain. Ito yung tint na the more na tinatanggal mo, mas lumalabas pa yung color niya. Ayan, naalala ko kasi nung sinwatch ko to. Hirap na hirap ako guys kasi talagang nagpatong-patong na yung mga naiwan na stain sa lips. By the way, this is Riz. Ang ganda ng shade niya. More on muted shade siya. Lastly is itong Velvet Lip and Cheek Stain. This is in the shade Hype. Ang deep nitong shade na to. And out of all the three formulations dito sa tint nila, itong Velvet Lip and Cheek Stain nila, yung mas merong coverage on the lips. So, if you're more into fuller lip colors, ito yung formulation na masasuggest ko. And nagtatagal din talaga siya sa lips. This is actually a nice deep shade. Kahit anong tanggal ko dyan, ganyan na siya. So, it's currently lunchtime. Kailangan ko na rin mag-lunch. 12 o'clock na in the afternoon. So, as promised, i-wear test natin tong skin tint nila throughout the day. So, babalikan ko kayo guys later after 8 hours. Kinuha ko pa tong iPad para meron akong pang time check. So, it's already 8:38 in the evening. More than 8 hours na ito sa face ko and ang dami kong ginawa today. Ito ako kasi talagang matetest out siya kasi yung mga pinuntahan ko for some reason, lahat mahina yung aircon, mainit, tumambay kami sa labas, napainom pa ako. Kaya ganito yung itsura ko for today's video. But so far, may naramdaman akong oil sa ilong ko, which is expected naman since nga medyo grabe yung mga pinagdaanan ko today. So, tingnan natin kung gaano kadaming oil yung makukuha natin on my T-zone, especially sa aking nose. Ayan, dumidikit na siya. Oh, ayan, meron. Pero in fairness ha, hindi pa rin yung super duper oily talaga. Sakto lang. Yung forehead, meron, dumidikit na rin. Although, ayan, hindi pa naman siya yung todong oily. So, this is how my face looks like after natin mag-blot. As you can see, fresh siya ulit. Hindi naman siya yung tipong parang nalusaw na talaga sa face ko. Kasi nung tinanggal natin, ayan, nandyan pa rin siya. As in, nandun pa rin yung coverage. Sa ilong, hindi siya nabura at all. Which is actually a good sign. Kasi yung ibang skin tint, kapag nag-oil up ka na, kapag nag-blot ka, sumasama siya sa blotting paper. Tapos, para makikita mo na wala ka ka ng product dun sa area na yun. But this one, as you can see, fresh pa rin siya after mo siyang i-blot. So I can say na if you have normal to dry skin, as in fresh ka the whole day, sis, kasi itong area na to sa akin, normal to dry yan. And talagang ang fresh pa rin niya. Ayun o, kahit yung blush ko nandyan pa, yung coverage na nandyan pa rin, parang walang nagbago, sa totoo lang. But on the area kung saan ako oily, I think since nag-dust off lang ako ng powder kanina, para nga talagang matest out natin siya, I can suggest na if you have combination or oily skin, you set well yung areas na oily kayo. You can either bake or use your trusty powder. This is more of a daytime skin tint for me. It looks really good on the skin. Sabi ko nga, papasa na rin siyang foundation. Kahit na it's a skin tint and it has SPF 20, I still suggest na wag kayo magre-rely solely on this for your SPF. Maglagay pa rin kayo ng dedicated sunscreen underneath. I would recommend kung kino-consider nyo bumili nito, for me ha, don't blind buy online. Mas okay na i-test out nyo muna yung shades sa mga kiosk nila sa mall. And if you want to buy it online para makuha yung mga vouchers, dun nyo na lang bilhin kapag sure nyo na talaga yung shade nyo para hindi masayang yung pera. Kasi ako nag-trial and error din ako sa mga shades ko. But ang pinaka-favorite ko sa collection na to is itong Perfect Brows Brow Grip. As you can see until now, groomed pa rin yung brows ko and it's very neat tignan on the eyebrows. So kung hindi kayo fan ng laminated brows, you just want a perfectly groomed brows, ang ganda nito sis. As in, I can't remember the last time na na-impress ako sa isang brow gel sa local brand na hindi for laminating effect ha. Yung talagang grooming lang. Ito ngayon, ang ganda nito guys. So that's it for today's wear test. Feel na feel ko yung mic ko, but I hope nakatulong itong review na to sa inyo. Let me know kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong makita dito sa channel natin. And meron pa kayong questions or whatsoever, just comment it down below. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. Stay safe and stay healthy guys, and I will see you on my next videos. Bye-bye!